Hello student of class 9. We are studying the subject of SST. We are already studying chapter number 2, physical features of India. We are know the physical features of India divided into 6 parts. We are learned to the 4 part are completed. Last video we are learn the Indian desert. Today we are talking and discuss about the coastal plain. Coastal plain. The narrow coastal strip, the peninsula, plateau or coastal plain. It means this is the coastal line of India. This is the coastal line of India and narrow plain. This is the called coastal plain area of the India. This is the coastal plain area of the India, a narrow strip valley of the peninsular plateau. This is the coastal plain area of India. The coastal plain area of India divided into two parts. First west and second is east. It means this is western part and that is eastern part. We divided into two parts, western coastal area and coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain are divided to three plains. Western coastal plain is divided to three plains. First we have discussed the western and eastern. The coastal plain is divided into two parts, western part and eastern part. First we are discuss about the western part of coastal plain. The western part of coastal plain is divided into three parts. First is Konkan. Mumbai to Goa. Konkan is Mumbai to Goa. Second is Kannada plain and third is Malabar plain. It means the western plain divided into three parts. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. These parts are called to Konkan plain and these parts are called to Kannada plain and the rest of them, this part is called to Malabar plain या Malabar तट. The western part of coastal plain divided into three parts, Konkan plain, second is Kannada plain and third is Malabar plain. As same, the eastern part of coastal plain is divided into two parts. Eastern part is divided into two parts. Upper part is called to North Sarkar. Upper part is called to North Sarkar and the lowest southern part is called to Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. So today we are discuss the coastal plain of India in physical features of India. We are know the narrow coastal strip of peninsular plateau. It means peninsular plateau के पास जो narrow coastal strip है इसे हम coastal plain of India कहते हैं. He divided into two parts. This part is western part and this part is eastern part. The eastern part belong to the touch of the Bay of Bengal and western part is touch of the Arabian Sea. The western part divided into another three parts. First is Konkan part, second is Kannada plain and third is Malabar plain. Also the eastern part are divided into two parts, Northern Sarkar and Coromandel Tat. This type of Kannada plain, Konkan plain, this is Kannada plain and this is Malabar Tat. Upper side of eastern part is Northern Sarkar and southern part of the eastern side is Coromandel coast. So student, today we are learn about the coastal plain. Next video we learn about the last physical features of India is Iceland. Thank you.